choppers gon' blast. I got that check now, flex now, buzz down, look at my wrist now. I don't wanna text now, get my check now.
Hey, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another wig, y'all. I am not bald, and y'all might notice something different. Your girl hair is black. Just dyed it. Yes, it look like I don't got no edges, but I do. So I look a little rough, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, and let's not talk about why it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to install a wig. So the wig that I'm going to be installing is from Nadula Hair. So the Nadula Hair is really nice hair. They sent me 2 wig caps, and they also sent me the pieces that you can make the wig glueless. But for this, I'm just going to be doing a simple install and just showing you guys how to get like a simple sleek look. So this is the wig that I'm going to be installing. And this is something different for me because I haven't tried color or nothing, so I'm really excited to see how it's gonna come out. But it came exactly like this. I flat ironed it, but it laid like super flat. I didn't have to use any like anything, just but to run the flat iron through it, and this is how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and it's just gonna be a simple little install. So all I did was slick my hair back. I just washed my hair, like I said, my edges look a little bald, but yes, I just washed my hair, and I got like a little bun in the back, and I'm not too worried about it showing. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. And then I'm just going to just go right in and put her on my head. I'm not going to be using any foundation or nothing to tint the lace, because I feel like it may be like a little bit light, but it'll be fine once I cut it in and just swoop my edges. So for the wig, I do cross the back like I do with all my wigs. So I take the lace, not the lace, I take the clamps in the back and I cross them side to side to make the wig secure. So now I'm going to be putting this back and pulling the lace down and seeing how I like this. So for this, like I said, the blind is a little out of my comfort zone, but I'm not too worried about it. Yeah, so this is how it's looking. And honestly, if you really want to go glueless, you really could. And I'm kind of sort of thinking about doing a glueless look now because of how tight this is. So really what I'm going to do is do a glueless install, period. Yes, I am. And I just thought about it. So only thing that I'm going to do with this, and we're going to see how this comes out, I'm going to cut the lace and see how it looks glueless. For me to cut the lace, I'm going to just cut this down the middle like this because of how tight this is, and then I'm going to cut around here with the eyebrow cutter, and I'll show you guys. So like I said, I'm about to cut the lace down the middle, and the lace is a little light, but like I said, it'll do because okay. So now I'm going to take, this is what I'm going to be using. I always use this to cut my lace. I don't use the scissors because it gives me too much of a straight cut. So I'm going to take this, and all I'm going to do is go down the edges like so. And I'm going to, yeah, I'm going to go down the edges like this. I'm going to try to do it in the camera for once. And y'all, let's just hope I don't mess up. And I'm trying not to get the baby hairs that they already had for me. All right, now I'm getting a little too close. Hold up a second. So I cut the lace, and I'm going to because I'm going to wear the wig like down like this and probably like not pushed back like this, I did not cut the sides because when I actually glue it down, that I'm going to want to use those because I'm going to want to glue it down and then just glue like that down. But for right now, because I'm doing a glueless, and this is without straps, y'all, and this thing, it looks bomb if you ask me, period. Because any other wig that I had, like, I couldn't just put it on and the lace just like lay flat and tight like this. So I'm like really impressed with it, and I think I cut my forehead. But yes, so this is how it's looking so far, and really like this is with no glue at all. And like even with me tugging on it like this, it's not even moving. And I think this is kind of cute because like something different for me, because I don't really like, yeah. So now I'm going to just do like a little swoop in the front with the baby hairs and see how it looks, and like kind of just like keep playing with this and pulling it forward and back to see like how I really like it on my forehead. For real, this hair is so soft though, for real. It's really soft, and like I'm kind of like liking a little blonde streak in the front, honestly. Like this part. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Bomb or no? So now let's lay my baby hairs and go from there. Now bear with me for the edges because like I told y'all, I can barely see. I'm just gonna take Got to Be glue and I'm going to put some on my edge brush like so. And this will also like kind of lay the thing down. Like I said, y'all, excuse the flaps, you're not gonna see those. And then I'm just about to take some hairs. That's kind of a lot, but let's see how this goes. And just swoop. That's a lot. I don't need that much. And just swoop it over so that like you can't really, okay, I don't want that much. Oh, so like I said, I'm just be taking some of the baby hairs in the front and just swooping them. These don't really matter because for this style, I'm not really the hair is gonna be to the front of my face, so I'm not really like focusing on how the lace look underneath my but of course if you want to see how like to lay your lace, you could go check out my other video. But this is all like a glueless install, so for this install it's not really like how you could style it to like actually like stay. So this, not to stay, but like style it like if the lace was like laid down. And then I'm just taking these and just swooping them, and then I'm just leaving it like that. Cause I want to make sure like this part gets tucked underneath. And if you don't like how much baby hairs there is out, then you could always cut them down. But for this, because this is my first time installing it and it is glueless, I'm not gonna cut the baby hairs because when I like actually lay it down, I may want to like cut them different. But when you do leave them long, it's harder to like play with them. And I'm just gonna be taking some of this shine spray. It's basically oil sheen, and I'm just gonna spray some on the hair to make it like shiny. Oh, I think I sprayed too much, y'all. Oops. But it's just gonna make it shiny and make it have like more of a sleek look. Don't spray too much like I did. And I'm just putting some on the top to like catch the flyaways and actually lay this down. So y'all tell me what y'all think now. This is like just a quick little glueless install with like a quick little weave that y'all can get, and this weave is affordable. This is a wig, and this wig is affordable, and look how like laid it is, and it blends. It blends. And if you wanted to just take like some eyeshadow or like pluck your frontal, pluck it back a little bit more, you could, but I think this would be good just to like throw on, and the fact that it's glueless. But if I was going to like install it, then I would do like a little bit more, or even like just flip these back, or like layer it. It's a whole bunch of stuff that you could do with this wig, and that's why I like how like versatile it is. I said versatile. Lord, y'all, it's in the morning and I need to go to bed. But yes, I'm really feeling this. Like the color, at first I didn't think it really fit me, but now that it's like kind of growing on me, it's not that bad. And like even if you do get the wig, it's so many other things that you could do with it. You can easily like dye the blonde pieces in the front. You could dye the pieces all the way up to here, so like the blonde comes all the way down, and then like you could, like I said, layer it. It's a bunch of stuff that you could do with this wig. So y'all need to go check this out. I can't talk. The link to this exact wig will be down in the description box below, and y'all need to check it out. So like I said, y'all see like some parts you can easily just dye blonde or just leave it as it comes, because it's kind of a mixture. It's not supposed to be like, oh, all of this supposed to be blonde. It's just supposed to be like a mixture. It's kind of giving like peanut butter and like not jelly vibes, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. But like I said, I'm just really amazed how bomb this looks with this just being glueless, and me just literally just throwing this on my head, and just like I told y'all, like it's not going anywhere. It's not going nowhere. I realized how aggressive I look now. But yes, so this is it. This is a finished product, and this comes all the way down here. So if y'all want to go check out this, y'all can. And even with me wearing it back like this, you still cannot see the sides. So there's nothing wrong with me wearing it back like this. And yeah, so y'all go check out this wig, and y'all go check out Nadula's other wigs. I think they got a sale going on right now, so y'all could go check out their sale. But yeah, y'all, wig is bomb, period. And it's on what? That's on period. Tell me, like I said again, tell me if y'all like this blonde or not. And guess what I would do? I will catch y'all next video. Go get y'all wig. Bye. You don't hear my